State versus Johnny Baker, murder in the second, 12-283.
So there's no action to take in this case today. I did get some information from the crime lab presented to me today from the state.
Okay,
But other than that, there's no action to take right now.
very well. Stay in contact with your lawyer, sir. State versus Austin Morris, residential burglary, theft, criminal mischief, 12-281.
There's no action to take here either, Judge. It's for pretrial. We should have a resolution before the April trial date.
Very well. Free to go.
Thank you.
State versus Heather Roadies, obtaining prescription drug by fraud, 15 counts, 12-275. Ma'am, I'm looking at a police statement here. Have you gone over this document?
Yes, sir.
Do you feel you understand the matters set out in the police statement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand the charges against you and the possible range of penalties if you're convicted?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty to 15 counts of prescription fraud?
Yes, sir.
By doing so, you give up your right to have a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You also cannot appeal when you plead guilty. You
Yes, sir.
understand that? Are you entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
Other than the recommendation regarding your sentence, have you been promised anything?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened or coerced you in any manner in order to get you to change your plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you're in fact guilty?
Yes, sir.
So it looks like here in Baxter County, last year you were working at a dentist office and you used the dentist name and DEA number to obtain prescription medications without his knowledge.
Yes.
At this time, ma'am, I'll accept your plea and adjudge you guilty on all counts. You'll be sentenced to, let's see. This time I accept your plea, adjudge you guilty. I'm going to place you on 5 years probation.
Yes, sir.
During that time, be of good behavior. Don't violate the law. Report to the probation office and obey the terms and conditions provided. You'll pay $200 in cost, a $1,000 fine, $200 in public defender fees, a DNA fee of $250, a drug crime assessment of $125, and a $20 booking fee. Pay the sums you owe at the rate of $100 per month beginning within 30 days, and you make your payments to the Sheriff's Department.
Yes, sir.
State versus William Foster, residential burglary and theft, 12-267. William Foster.
Your Honor, Mr. Foster was a client of either Mr. Bailey or Mr. Bayless. They have a conflict because of the Baker murder trial situation, so he is now my client. I've met with him one time. Judge, there's no action to take today.
Okay.
I know it's on the court's trial calendar. I'm not going to ask that that be continued or changed at this time. Are you back here, Your Honor, before the 16th of April? I'm sure you are.
On the 11th.
Can we have him reappear on that date, Judge?
Certainly. Reappear on April 11th.
Thank you, Judge.
13-9, State versus Cami Old. Ma'am, I'm looking at a police statement here. Have you gone over this document?
Pardon me?
Have you gone over this document?
Yes.
Do you feel you understand what's set out in this police statement?
The police statement?
The document.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you understand the charges against you and the range of possible penalties if you're convicted?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty to making and uttering hot checks?
Yes.
By doing so, you're giving up your right to have a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You also cannot appeal when you plead guilty. Do you understand that also?
Yes.
Are you entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Other than what's in this police statement, this document, has anyone promised you anything other than that?
No, sir.
Has anyone threatened you in any manner to get you to change your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you're in fact guilty?
Yes, sir.
Last year here in Baxter County, did you write some hot checks to merchants?
Yes.
This time, ma'am, I'll accept your plea and adjudge you guilty. I'm going to place you on 3 years probation. During that time, be of good behavior, report to probation, obey the terms and conditions provided to you. You'll pay $200 in cost, a $1,000 fine, a $200 public defender fee, a DNA fee of $250, $1,848.54 in restitution, and a $20 booking fee, and you'll pay the sums you owe at the rate of $100 per month, beginning within 30 days. Payments are made to the Sheriff's Department.
Okay.